Hello guys. Welcome to Overflowing Wealth channel. This is a platform where I teach you how to make money the easy way. Kindly click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. In this video, I will quickly show you the 26 inspirational quotes to motivate entrepreneurs for greatness. 1. Every problem is a gift. Without problems we would not grow. Anthony Robbins. 2. You only have to do a few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Warren Buffett. 3. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau. 4. There's no shortage of remarkable ideas, what's missing is the will to execute them. Seth Godin. 5. I don't know the word quit. Either I never did, or I have abolished it. Susan Butcher. 6. Far and away the best prize that life offers is the chance to work hard at work worth doing. Theodore Roosevelt. 7. If you really look closely, most overnight successes took a long time. Steve Jobs. 8. Almost everything worthwhile carries with it some sort of risk, whether it's starting a new business, whether it's leaving home, whether it's getting married, or whether it's flying into space. Chris Hadfield. 9. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Albert Einstein. 10. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened, ambition inspired and success achieved. Helen Keller. 11. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. 12. Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. 13. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure. Colin Powell. 14. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. 15. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Coco Chanel. 16. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Jim Rohn. 17. You can't have $1 million dream with the minimum wage work ethic. Stephen C. Hogan. 18. Don't tell me where your priorities are. Show me where you spend your money and I'll tell you what they are. James W. Frick. 19. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Jim Rohn. 20. Don't think about your errors or failures, otherwise, you'll never do a thing. Bill Murray. 21. The secret to successful hiring is this: look for the people who want to change the world. 22. In carrying out e-commerce, the most important thing is to keep doing what you are doing right now with passion, to keep it up. Jack Ma. 23. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Warren Buffett. 24. Try not to become a man of success. Rather become a man of value. Albert Einstein. 25. Knowledge without action is meaningless. Abu Bakr. 26. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be the first to get my next video. Also kindly like and comment on the comment section below. See you in the next video and stay in overflowing wealth.